Contemporary House Design 2023. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we present the contemporary house design trends for 2023. If you're looking for inspiration to create a modern and stylish home, you've come to the right place. Our carefully curated collection showcases the epitome of contemporary house design, featuring sleek lines, innovative materials, and cutting-edge architectural elements. These houses are designed to embrace the principles of minimalism, functionality, and sustainability, creating spaces that are both visually stunning and livable. Our expert team has curated a collection of the latest contemporary house designs that are sure to captivate and inspire you. From sleek lines to innovative architectural elements, these designs embody the essence of modern living. In this video, we take you on a virtual tour of these stunning contemporary homes, showcasing their unique features and design elements. From open concept layouts to seamless indoor-outdoor living spaces, these houses are designed to maximize natural light and provide a seamless flow between different areas. In this video, we dive deep into the world of contemporary house design, discussing the latest trends in interior and exterior finishes, spatial arrangements, and smart home technology. We provide valuable insights and tips to help you create a home that is not only visually stunning, but also practical and efficient. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring design ideas and updates. Let's embark on a journey of contemporary house design and explore the endless possibilities of creating your dream home in 2023. Are you ready to embrace the elegance and sophistication of contemporary design? Join us now as we discover the world of contemporary house design and inspire your vision for a truly remarkable home. Join us as we delve into the world of contemporary house design, discussing the latest trends in materials, color palettes, and furniture choices. Whether you prefer minimalist aesthetics or bold statement pieces, our collection offers a diverse range of styles to suit various tastes and preferences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring design ideas and updates. Let's embark on a journey of contemporary house design together and discover the limitless possibilities of creating a modern, stylish, and functional home in 2023. Are you ready to be inspired by the elegance and sophistication of contemporary design? Join us now as we explore the world of contemporary house design and ignite your imagination for your future dream home.